Hi, I'm Allie with Cute Aliquars. Today I have a special guest. Bella, my sister.
Hi.
Today we're going to be making Brazilian cheese bread. My mom makes it every Sunday.
It's my favorite bread.
This recipe only requires 6 simple ingredients.
That is really easy.
Before you blend your ingredients, you will need to preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Also, if you are a kid, you will need your parents' help.
Yes, you do.
So the 6 ingredients you will need are 2/3 cup of milk, 1/3 cup of olive oil, a 1/2 cup of feta cheese,
1 egg, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1.5 cup of tapioca flour.
Now we are going to blend our ingredients.
Good. Got a little more? Good. There, got it. Good job, Allie. Now we're gonna close it. This is fun! Good job, Allie. You did very good and a nice job. Double thumbs up for Allie! And me, of course.
Now we are going to put this in the oven.
Make sure you got adults to help you. Our bread is in the oven right now.
We will leave it there for 15 to 20 minutes until lightly brown. We will leave the recipe and instructions down below. We just took this out of the oven. We put it in there for 17 minutes.
Let's taste it now.
This is so good, right?
Yeah. So cheesy.
Don't forget to make a comment down below and subscribe.
Thank you.